Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Porsche 911 RSR. First, unbox your kit and carefully review the instruction manual to understand the steps. Next, organize all the pieces, perhaps by color or size, to make finding them easier during the build. Finally, ensure you have essential tools like a small hobby knife, tweezers, and model glue ready. This preparation will make your building experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's dive into the core of your Porsche RSR. Start by building the sturdy chassis frame, which forms the foundation of your model. Then, meticulously assemble the six-cylinder boxer engine, paying attention to details like moving pistons. This part truly showcases the engineering. After that, integrate the independent suspension and the working differential, ensuring all components move freely. These steps create the functional heart of your miniature race car. With the chassis complete, it's time to bring your Porsche RSR to life visually. Carefully attach the aerodynamic body panels and the distinctive rear diffuser, shaping the car's iconic silhouette. Move inside to add the intricate interior elements, including the detailed cockpit, functional steering, and racing seats. Finally, apply the decals with precision to achieve that authentic racing livery. Take your time here. These details make a huge difference. You're almost there. For the final touches, mount the wheels and tires, making sure they are perfectly aligned for a realistic stance. Then, add the smaller exterior details such as the side mirrors and headlights, which truly complete the model's appearance. Once finished, your Porsche 911 RSR is ready for display. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your real car smelling fantastic too. Enjoy your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.